I just want to thank everybody for joining our channel, Cheap Storage Zone. Mainly today, I'm going to show you how to win a storage unit cheap, okay? How to win it for a little bit of money or whatever. Like I said before, you just use your McDonald's money, Burger King money, wherever you like to eat at, you can just use that money to get these options. And think about it, just $20 right now is at $20. So if I bid in this, I will have a bid $30. So right now, I'm trying, honest truth, I'm trying to win two different options. Let me see if I can go back and show you the other one. So this one, which ends at this one in at 220, the bottom one in at 220. Right now nobody bidding on, so if I bid, I have a bid $10, and the top one is at 20, but I have a bid $30 in order to win it. So I'm gonna try to and like I said before, whenever you're bidding in these options, I'm gonna try to bid on this one right here because it's in at 210 and I have 5 minutes left on it. So about 4 minutes, a little bit below. After 4 minutes, I'm gonna start bidding. Because like I said before, you never want to start bidding early in the day because it will go up higher and higher and higher and higher, and you ain't going to want it. So if you want it to stay lower and cheap, you'll try to bid on it at a lower amount. So I'm going to try to win both of them. Hopefully I can win both of them, but I believe it's going to be a surprise when we get up there. So like and subscribe to our channel, because tomorrow we will be picking this up bright and early. I will do a video and then I will post it so you can see what the $20, $30, $40 units look like. So I will pick this up tomorrow. So make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. So this is mainly some of the pictures. So anytime you're trying to win one of these options, always look at the pictures or start maybe a day or two ahead of time so you can watch it. So right now, as you can see at the top of the screen, I am watching this item. So I know I went through a lot of them, but this is one of the ones I wanted. It was cheap. Seems like it's going to be a good deal, but we will see tomorrow when I get there. I will let you guys see that video, post that video, so you can see exactly if this is a good storage unit or not. So I am going to put my bid in right about now. I just want to make sure nobody is going to keep bidding against me. Hopefully not, and I can get it low, and it would be so nice to get it low. And anytime you there you go. Anytime you bidding on it. Right now I am the top bidder. I have 4 minutes left, so if nobody's bidding on it, it would be nice. And then I can go to the next one and win that one because nobody at all is bidding on that. So nobody's watching it or bidding on it, so I can easily win the next one. I know the second one going to be easy to win, so that's going to be $10. So this one is in Holly Springs. The other one is in Raleigh, North Carolina. See, these are towns that you're not far from, so it's not hard to win them. And you always get, like the last one I had an Amazon Prime tablet and my daughter wanted that, so I had to give it to her, so she wanted it. I wasn't gonna sell it, but I had so much good stuff in the storage unit that I sold, and I did, as I said before, I might not keep it, but I did have to keep some. But yeah, so this one I believe gonna be a surprise too of what we can find in it. So you will see firsthand tomorrow or whatever. So let's see if we can win this particular auction. 3 minutes. 16 seconds left. Come on, baby, come on. Really winning, bidding these auctions, to me, it's fun. I mean, other than making money or keeping some of the items, it's fun bidding. I just like bidding in them. I tell my husband, I be like, hey, we about to go have some fun, and he'd be happy too. So really, it's fun just bidding in it. Now, moving furniture and stuff out, that's not fun, but other than just bidding on it and getting your stuff, it's real fun. 2 minutes and 48 seconds. I hope I'll go ahead and win this. So I can show you guys how you get this this low spend only a little bit of money to get a storage. Now this is filled this is filled up from the front to the back, all the way to the top. So who knows what's in it, but I'm gonna be surprised tomorrow when I pick it up. A lot of time I won't bid on a unit that's like, if it look filthy, like they got stuff all over the place, they didn't put stuff in bags and stuff. Or now stacking up is okay, but I'm talking about if it's all over the place, look like got stuff hanging out, bag, trash and stuff, I don't bid on those. Cause who knows what you're gonna find. But I do bid on the ones that's maybe stacked up. They got stuff in bags, boxes. I bid on those. So come on, baby. I want to win this one, for real, I do. I've been watching this for like a day. One day. And it was at $10 for a whole day, but then it went up to $20. One person got in the bid. Let me see how many bidders. Right now I'm the third bidder, so hopefully not that many people. Well, third bidder, ain't that many people really looking at it. Come on, baby, come on. I know. Sometimes I talk to myself when I'm trying to be able to win the auction. Cause, hey, guess what? You can spend. Look, I could spend $30 on this. One item, I make more than $30. And I'm not gonna say I'm not gonna keep none. Cause last time I kept the tablet, I had 2 tablets. Matter of fact, one for the baby and one for my other daughter that's 4 years old. And I did keep it. I pulled a soda, but you know. So here we go. 1 minute. I'm showing you how to do it. And this is again, I think this is the same one I told you before. It's called Storage Treasures. So Storage Treasure, look at the top, STORAGETREASURES.com. I know I got a lot of tabs. I'll be doing some of everything, making money. Okay. Back to this. 51 seconds. I pray nobody don't get in on it. God has allowed me to win these units so cheap. I'm telling you, it's not me, but it's God that's allowing me to do it. Because I be praying like, Lord, you know what I do? Somebody got in there. Okay. See, I already got in my head what I want to go up to, so it's fine. I'll go back and you see how you thought you were going to win it? And then somebody jumping in at the last minute, but it's okay. So I'm going to I got my baby calling me, so I am doing this video from home. Yes, Opie. I'm about to come because Mama about to be finished with this video. So now I'm at 50, but still that's a deal. I can sell one item, get in Mama lap. Because see, this is what happened. I do my video or whatever. My babies is here with me because I do run a business from home. So they here with me. Get in Mommy lap. Here. Get in Mommy lap. And I'm almost finished, you guys. Excuse me for... Let me clean my screen here. All right, here we go. Still how you get one for a low amount. The other one, I need to check that to make sure they didn't, nobody ain't bidding on that. I do want to bid on that one too. And this one, let me see. I'm going to put my... No, I got 9 minutes. I can look at that in a minute. Right now, I just want to focus on this one. Make sure I win it. So either way, I'm going to be able to get both of them under $100. I'll be able to get both of them under $100. So which is a deal. I mean, you can just look at this. One of the items you can just sell and make $50 back. That's no problem. They still bidding. They try to bid again. Somebody at 60. That's all right. Let me see if I can get another bid. It's at 4 minutes. I'm gonna see what they're gonna stop at. Yeah, go ahead. You can eat that, darling. So I got So I go back on this one. Sometimes you get it way. I'm talking about a lot cheaper. But as you know, before the last one I bid on was 140, so this is still cheap. That was last week. So 70 is still cheap. We're going to see when they stop bidding. Like I said, if you hear noise in the background, it's just my babies. I work from home. A lot of time when you have family, you do it with them. So that, I have no excuses why I can't either operate a business or go after my dreams and visions. And that's why I tell you guys, hey, no matter what's going on in your life, go after them. We ain't making no excuses in the season. Hey, we're going to do it with them. 3 minutes and 44 seconds. And you see the name in the corner there. It's STORAGETREASURES.com. Because after I finish this, I'm thinking the other one I probably can get for $10. Because nobody's bidding at all. Nobody's watching it. So I should be able to sneak in there and get it, hopefully. Like this one was only 20, I bid 30. Somebody got back in there, bid again. Hopefully I ran them all. Sometimes you got to run them all. Sometimes they just be hanging around, but yeah, I'm almost done, you guys. I'm just trying to let you see how I win the auction pretty cheap. Somebody came back with $80. Came back with 80. Let me see what I can put. I'm going to put 90. It's still good because underneath, like I said before, the amount that I bid last, I put 90. Alright, my highest bidder again. I just want you guys to get a feel of this and how everything go. Since I got 5 minutes, let me check my other option because I'm definitely trying to win that one. Nobody bidding. I can get in on that. It only got 6 minutes left. My minimum bid, wait, somebody bid, somebody's in there. Nah, nobody bid. So in order for me to bid, I would have bid $10 for this one. So I know I can get it. So I'm trying to get both of them. This is a 5x10 and the other one is a 5x10. I'm going to put my 10 on there. This is only $10. Ain't nobody looking at it like. So let me go ahead and make sure. Hopefully nobody won't get in there and try to bid. And now I'm gonna go back to my other one. See, you can bid. I mean, you can win more than one of these options. Right now, it's showing both of these. You see this? Both of these, I'm the highest bidder, but we're gonna see. So together, I will spend $100 and got 2 stories. And look, these are 5x10, so pretty good size. 2 units, $100. Imagine what can I make off these units, or if my kids don't talk me into it, what they gonna try to get out of my unit. Here we go. I'm still the highest bidder, 4 minutes. Come on, baby, come on. Some of them take time. Sometimes I can just, I'm talking about like I can get in that last 3 minutes, win it, boom. Nobody's bidding back and forth. But this one, somebody's in there bidding, but hopefully they stop bidding so I can go ahead and win it and show you guys how I win in a cheap auction. Cause pickup day is tomorrow, so. I was trying to make the video shorter, but unfortunately somebody got in there and wanted to bid, so the video got a little longer than what I thought. Here we go, here we go. 3 minutes and 2 seconds. Let me look back at the other one. See if anybody bidding. Nope. I'm the only one bidding on that, so I'm thinking I'm gonna win. I think this was gonna be an easy win compared to this one. Matter of fact, this one, the last one got a bed in it, so. Okay, and that's $10. I won a unit like 2 weeks ago. I paid $20 for the unit and had a whole bedroom set in it. And I made a good amount on that one. Let me go back again. 2 minutes, 32 seconds. Can I not get somebody not to bid up and bid against me? Come on. I just want to show you guys how it's done. So I mean, you can register for this particular site. Also tell you that anytime you win an auction, they will charge you, unless you sign up for some type of plan, they will charge you 15%. So 15% for this one, they're gonna charge me 15%, and 10% at the place. But I mean, when you ain't bidding too much for it, it don't cost too much. Add it on to it. My babies, whenever I'm bidding, they like to stand right beside me. So I be trying to zoom in. I be trying to zoom in and focus. They sit right beside me. But we almost there, y'all. We almost there. I already know without a doubt I won the other one. Cause a lot of times if nobody get in there and they bidding or whatever, yeah, you already won that. So like I said, it's a nice black bed. Look like the same black bed I got like 2 weeks ago. But they wouldn't know that unless they really look at the picture. So it's always good to look at the picture. Here we go, 1 minute and 15 seconds. Can I pull it off? I think I can. I think they might be tired. Last 50 seconds, they got back in and bid again, but hopefully this time they won't. Here we go.
I made perfect chocolate.
Here we go. Come on, baby. Come on.
Here's some chocolate.
If they don't bid, I won. It's only 46 seconds left.
What?
35, 34. Come on, come on.
Mommy,
They said, look, my baby's still in the background here. Here they go. I think I won, y'all. I think they gave up. Hopefully they did. We got 15 seconds left. 14, 13, 12. And you know, this make me happy when I'm winning. I just get so happy. I'm going to go back and look at the other one. But like I said before, I ain't got to show you that no more. I'm sure I won that one. 2, 1, boom.
Mama.
I won, look. You see that? Hey, you won this one. Congratulations. And then the other one, I know I already won that one. So it's 2 storage units that I won for today, and I will be picking them up on tomorrow. But thank you for joining my page. I just wanted to show you how to win one of these storage units. It's not hard. Well, thank you. Have a blessed day. Make sure you go and subscribe to our channel, and also hit the notification bell. Thank you.